For our patio, the dimensions are 12 by 9. The length is 12 feet long and the width is 9 feet long. Great thinking if you found these two numbers. Now, this required us to solve a quadratic equation, so don't worry if it gave you trouble. We haven't even done a problem like this yet. We're going to start by taking our area equation and we're going to replace this L with the expression 21 minus W. We want to make sure we use parentheses here since we're replacing this L with this expression. We'll need to multiply W to each of these terms inside the parentheses. So 21 times W equals 21W, and negative W times W is negative W squared. We need to set this equation equal to 0, so we arrange these two terms and move them to the other side. So we'll subtract 21W from both sides and add W squared to both sides. This leaves us with W squared minus 21W plus 108 equals 0. Now we're ready to try to factor our quadratic. We want to find factors of 1 times 108, or just 108, that sum to negative 21. Those two factors are negative 9 and negative 12. If we set each factor equal to 0, then we know that W could equal positive 9 or W can equal positive 12. And maybe this is where you might have gotten confused. We have the width can equal 9 or the width can equal 12. If the width does equal 9, we know that the entire perimeter should be 42. So doing some mental math, we know that the length would have to be 12 in order for the entire perimeter to be 42 feet. We could get that same result by using our area formula. We know this area is 108, and now we know the width. The width is 9. So we divide both sides by 9 to get the length is equal to 12, or 12 feet. Now, if we would have let the width equal 12 feet, we would have gotten this rectangle. It's really the same exact rectangle, it's just been rotated 90 degrees. The longest dimension of a closed figure or any three-dimensional shape is considered to be the length. So instead of making the width equal 12, we'll make the length equal 12 and the width equal 9. Finally, it's always best to check your result to make sure that the perimeter and the area are what we expect it to be. If we add up all the sides together, we get a perimeter of 42, just like what was stated in our problem. And if we multiply the length and the width, we get an area of 108 square feet. This is why we know these two answers are correct.